I'm taking a video.
Oh.
And later I upload to the YouTube.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Make a close up.
He's camera shy.
Yeah. This evening, everybody come to see the kittens.
They're all kind of like stumbly. This
Well,
guy especially.
Just learning how to walk.
Right, baby?
You're like, whoa, what are these things? Their legs.
Still have that good kitten smell.
They are very friendly. Everybody love the baby cat.
That one's a cry one. No, I don't like crying cats.
Now
They're annoying.
you can see yourself in
no,
the
thank you.
YouTube.
You're a star.
I will not be another statistic.
Oh, you want us to come by to get the kitchen stuff?
Today's Thursday, right?
Yeah.
Cool stuff. Alrighty. I'll give you guys a call.
Cool.
Give me like an hour or so.
Yeah, absolutely. No rush. Is that one yours?
Oh, this baby cat hiding there.
Right?
They'll all be dead.
No, Tony is nice. Tony wouldn't eat that.
This is good, right? It's like little shrill chorus.
Today, so many friends, so many friends come to see the baby cats. Thank you everybody come to watch my video. Thank you. This is Ian Steven. Filmed the video in New York. Today is April 24th, 2008.
You know,
Thank you very much.
When you hold kittens, hold them like this. Look, you see them? You're not hurting them when you hold them. You see how they ball up? That's because that's how their mommy holds them. Okay? Don't like squeeze them.
Oh, you are the star now. Now this is your turn. Yeah. Ooh, one kiss. One kiss. Lovely, lovely. Nice. Very nice.
Look how much I'm wrong, man. It's like bars.
Yeah.
You were so cute.
Thank you.